The Curriculum Jams process consists of 5 steps. In this video, we'll go through each of these steps to give you a better idea of what curriculum jams look like in practice. The first step is to select and connect around a topic. We first choose a topic that matters to youth, community, and extension. Then, we connect with others who care about that topic. Together, we outline the scope of the project and talk about where to look for educational resources about the topic. Scoping helps us know what will be included within our topic and what is out of bounds. By the end of this step, we have a project scope document to guide us in the following steps. The second step is to gather insights and build understanding. In this step, we talk to youth, extension community members, and others who have lived experience with the topic. They may share their wisdom with us through interviews or group discussions. Their ideas help us identify which criteria to use in evaluating each resource. By the end of this step, we have a list of criteria that will help us decide if a resource is a good fit for the topic. The third step is to search for existing resources. In this step, we work together to find resources about the topic that are already out there. We rely on our existing knowledge, extension resources, and online searches. We use what we learned from the community to begin reviewing the resources. By the end of this step, we have documented all the resources we found in a search tracking spreadsheet and have narrowed the list from dozens of resources to fewer than 10. The fourth step is to review the resources together. In this step, we involve the community, especially those with lived experience, in reviewing the narrowed list of resources from the last step. We gather for Jam Day meetings, use review sheets to look at the resources in depth, and discuss the resources as a group. By the end of this step, we have a final list of resources that we want to recommend for use. The fifth and final step is to share recommendations. In this step, we share the highest quality, most culturally relevant educational resources as determined by the community. We report the recommendations, post them on our website, and share them widely with all the good folks out there who work with youth. And that's it. That's the whole Curriculum Jams process. Check out our webpage to learn more about the resources we've recommended so far and find out how to get involved.